What's up, everyone? Winter is coming, and your heating bill is about to skyrocket. But what if you could slash that bill without freezing? Today, I'm giving you the ultimate winter survival guide. We're talking 5 genius, proven ways to cut your utility bills. Easy, practical, and anyone can do them. By the end, you'll have a battle plan to conquer the cold and keep your wallet full. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about one of the sneakiest ways your hard-earned money disappears every winter: drafts. Even if your home looks solid from the outside, chances are it's leaking warm air in more places than you think. Those tiny gaps around your windows, doors, and even where pipes enter your house, they're like little escape hatches for heat, and every bit of warmth that slips out is money you're basically throwing away. Most people don't realize just how much these small leaks add up, but trust me, they can make a huge difference on your heating bill. The good news? Fixing drafts is cheap, fast, and something you can do yourself. Head to your local hardware store and pick up some weather stripping and a tube of caulk. You don't need fancy tools or a contractor, just a few bucks and a little bit of time. Weather stripping is perfect for sealing the edges of doors and windows, while caulk is great for filling in those smaller cracks and gaps. For less than $10, you'll have everything you need to start locking in the heat. Start by checking every window and door in your house. On a chilly day, slowly run your hand around the edges. You'll feel cold air sneaking in. Or try the candle or incense trick. Move a lit candle or stick around the frame and watch for the flame or smoke to flicker. Wherever you find a draft, mark it, then seal it up with weather stripping or caulk. Don't forget to check less obvious spots, like the basement windows or the door to your garage. Every little bit helps. Next, tackle the gaps under your doors. These are basically highways for cold air to rush in and warm air to escape. Installing a door sweep is a simple fix. Just screw or stick it onto the bottom of your door and instantly block that draft. You'll be amazed at how much warmer your rooms feel, especially near entryways. Door sweeps are inexpensive, easy to install, and can make a noticeable difference in comfort. But don't stop at doors and windows. Take a look around places where pipes or wires enter your home, like behind sinks, in the basement, or near your laundry area. These spots often have gaps that let in cold air. Grab a can of spray foam insulation and fill those holes. It expands to seal even the trickiest spots, keeping your heat inside where it belongs. Think of it as plugging up all the little holes in your home's armor. Now, let's talk about the attic. Heat rises, so if your attic isn't properly insulated, you're basically heating the outdoors. Take a peek up there. If you can see the tops of the wooden beams, you need more insulation. Adding a few extra inches can make a massive difference. Not only will your home stay warmer, but your furnace won't have to work as hard, saving you even more money in the long run. If you're not sure how much insulation you need, most home improvement stores have guides or staff who can help you figure it out. All these fixes, sealing drafts, adding insulation, and blocking gaps, can cut your heating costs by up to 20%. For the average home, that's hundreds of dollars saved every year. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash: a weekend getaway, a fancy dinner, or just a little more breathing room in your budget. And the best part? Most of these improvements take just an afternoon and a few dollars to complete. So, step 1 to slashing your heating bills. Seal up those drafts, beef up your insulation, and turn your home into a cozy, energy-saving fortress. With just $10 and a little effort, you can keep the warmth in, the cold out, and your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Next, let's talk thermostats. You might not realize it, but your thermostat is one of the most powerful tools in your home when it comes to saving money on energy bills. Most people don't give it a second thought. They set it once, maybe when they move in, and then forget about it. But that's a huge missed opportunity. With just a little bit of attention and a few smart tweaks, you can turn your thermostat into a money-saving machine. The first step is to upgrade if you haven't already. Installing a programmable or smart thermostat is a game changer. These devices let you set a schedule for your heating and cooling, so you're not wasting energy when you don't need it. For example, you can program it to lower the temperature automatically when you're at work or asleep, and then warm things up before you get home or wake up. It's all about using energy only when you actually need it, not just blasting the heat or AC all day out of habit. Here's the science behind it. The Department of Energy recommends lowering your thermostat by 7 to 10 degrees for at least 8 hours a day, like when you're sleeping or out of the house. Doing this can save you up to 10% a year on your heating and cooling bills. That's not just a small change, it adds up to real money over time. And it's not just about winter. This works for air conditioning in the summer too. The less your system has to work when you're not around, the more you save. The beauty of smart thermostats is that they can do even more. Many models can learn your daily routine, when you leave, when you come home, even when you tend to go to bed. They'll start adjusting the temperature automatically, so you don't even have to think about it. Some can be controlled from your phone, so if your plans change, you can adjust the temperature from anywhere. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cozy house without wasting energy all day. That's comfort and savings, all in one. But what if you have an older manual thermostat? No problem, you can still save a ton just by being mindful. Make it a habit to turn the temperature down before you go to bed or leave the house. Even a few degrees can make a noticeable difference on your bill. I started doing this every night and every time I left for work, and I was shocked at how quickly the savings added up. In just 1 month, I saved $100, just by paying attention and making small adjustments. So, don't treat your thermostat like a simple on-off switch. Think of it as a powerful tool for saving money and energy. Whether you upgrade to a smart model or just get into the habit of adjusting it manually, those small changes can add up to big savings over time. Take control of your comfort and your wallet. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's heat the person, not the house. Layer up. Every extra layer traps heat. Sweaters, socks, slippers. It's free, and it works. Lower your thermostat a few degrees and stay comfortable by dressing warmer. In bed, use flannel sheets, wool blankets, and a thick comforter. You'll sleep cozy even with the thermostat down. Try a hot water bottle to pre-warm your bed. Old school, but amazing. Before you touch the thermostat, ask, "Can I add another layer?" This simple habit can save you hundreds over the winter. Stay smart, stay warm, and save big. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun, a resource that rises every single day, costs nothing, and can help keep your home warm and comfortable all winter long. Most people think of solar panels when they hear about using the sun for energy, but you don't need any fancy equipment to take advantage of solar heat. Your windows are already powerful tools for capturing free warmth, if you know how to use them right. Start each morning by checking which rooms get the most sunlight. Open the curtains or blinds on those sunny windows as soon as the sun comes up. Letting in direct sunlight during the day is one of the simplest and most effective ways to naturally heat your home. The more sunlight you let in, the more free energy you're capturing. As the sun moves across the sky, its rays pour through your windows and land on your floors, rugs, and furniture. These surfaces absorb the sun's energy, warming up throughout the day. Later, they slowly release that stored heat back into the air, helping to keep your living spaces cozy even after the sun goes down. But as soon as the sun sets, it's time to switch strategies. Close your curtains or blinds, especially if you have thick, insulated ones, to trap all that warmth inside. This simple step prevents heat from escaping through the glass, which is one of the biggest sources of heat loss in most homes. Investing in thermal or insulated curtains can make a big difference. These special curtains are designed to reduce heat loss by up to 25%, keeping your rooms warmer for longer. They're especially helpful on the coldest nights, and they can even help keep your home cooler in the summer by blocking out excess heat. Make this a daily habit. Open up your sunny windows in the morning and close them up tight at night. It only takes a minute, but over the course of a winter, it can add up to real savings on your heating bill and a much more comfortable home. Best of all, this method is completely free. You don't need to buy anything new or make any big changes, just use what you already have. You'll notice your home feels warmer, your heating system won't have to work as hard, and everyone will enjoy those bright, sunny spaces. For even better results, make sure your windows are well sealed and free of drafts. Adding weather stripping or caulking around the edges can help turn your windows into true energy assets, not liabilities. Every bit of heat you keep inside is money saved and comfort gained. So, take advantage of the sun's free energy. With just a few simple habits, you can enjoy a warmer, brighter home all winter long, without spending a dime. Free heat really is the best heat. Last, take care of your furnace. A dirty filter kills efficiency. Check and change your furnace filter every 1-3 months. It takes seconds and saves you money. A clean filter means better airflow, lower bills, and a longer-lasting furnace. Schedule a professional tune-up once a year. Cleaning, safety checks, and efficiency tweaks pay off. Make sure vents aren't blocked by furniture or rugs. Let the warm air flow. These small steps keep your system running at peak performance. Don't wait for a breakdown. Maintenance is cheaper than repairs. Your furnace is the heart of your winter savings. That's it, 5 powerful ways to slash your winter utility bills and keep your home comfortable. Seal drafts, program your thermostat for efficiency, layer up, use the sun's warmth, and maintain your furnace for best results. Try even 1 or 2 of these tips and you'll see a difference on your next bill. Share your own tips in the comments and let's help each other save even more this winter. Thanks for watching, stay warm, save money, and see you next time for more helpful advice.